Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable disabled apps in the Samsung Galaxy M15. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Apps and wait for the search results to appear. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Apps option from the search results and tap on it. Step 5. Now, tap on the menu icon, usually 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then, select Disabled and tap OK. This will show a list of all the apps that are currently disabled on your phone. Step 6. For the last and most important step, choose the app you want to enable. Tap on it and then tap the Enable button at the bottom of the screen. The app will be immediately restored and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.